Dinner recipes. Arabic food. 1. Shawarma. Ingredients: 1 pound of thinly sliced beef or chicken, a quarter cup olive oil, 2 cloves of garlic minced, a quarter cup lemon juice, 1 tsp cumin, 1 tsp paprika, salt and pepper to taste. Pita bread. Toppings: tomatoes, onions, pickles, tahini sauce. Instructions: 1. In a bowl, mix together the olive oil, garlic, lemon juice, cumin, paprika, salt and pepper. 2. Add the sliced meat to the marinade and let it marinate for at least 2 hours or overnight in the fridge. 3. Heat a skillet over medium-high heat and cook the marinated meat until it is fully cooked. 4. Warm up the pita bread in the oven or on a skillet. 5. Assemble the shawarma by placing a few slices of the cooked meat on the warmed pita bread and topping it with tomatoes, onions, pickles and tahini sauce. 6. Roll the pita bread tightly and enjoy your homemade shawarma. 2. Kapsa. Ingredients: 1 pound chicken, cut in 2 pieces, 2 cups basmati rice, 1 onion chopped, 2 cloves of garlic minced, 2 tsp tomato paste, 1 tsp cumin, 1 tsp coriander, 1 tsp cinnamon, 1 tsp cardamom, salt and pepper to taste. 4 cups chicken broth, a quarter cup raisins optional, a quarter cup almonds optional. Instructions: 1. In a pot, heat some oil over medium heat and sew the onion and garlic until softened. 2. Add the chicken pieces and cook until they are browned. 3. Stir in the tomato paste and spices: cumin, coriander, cinnamon, cardamom, salt and pepper. 4. Add the basmati rice and stir to coat it with the spices. 5. Pour in the chicken broth and bring it to a boil. 6. Reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for about 20 minutes or until the rice is cooked and the liquid is absorbed. 7. If desired, add the raisins and almonds and let it cook for an additional 5 minutes. 8. Serve the kapsa with the chicken pieces on top of the rice. 3. Falafel. Ingredients: 1 cup dried chickpeas, 1 onion chopped, 3 cloves of garlic, a quarter cup fresh parsley, 1 tsp cumin, 1 tsp coriander, 1 tsp baking powder, salt and pepper to taste, oil for frying. Instructions: 1. Soak the dried chickpeas in water for at least 8 hours or overnight. 2. Drain the chickpeas and add them to a food processor along with the onion, garlic, parsley, cumin, coriander, baking powder, salt and pepper. 3. Process until the mixture is well combined and has a coarse texture. 4. Heat the oil in a deep frying pan over medium-high heat. 5. Using a spoon or an ice cream scoop, form the chickpea mixture into small balls or patties. 6. Carefully place the falafel into the hot oil and fry until they are golden brown on all sides. 7. Drain the falafel on a paper towel to remove any excess oil. 8. Serve the falafel in pita bread with your choice of toppings, such as tahini sauce, tomatoes and lettuce. 4. Fattoush salad. Ingredients: for pita breads: 1 cucumber diced, 2 tomatoes diced, 1 green bell pepper diced, a quarter cup fresh parsley chopped, a quarter cup fresh mint chopped, a quarter cup olive oil, a quarter cup lemon juice, 1 clove of garlic minced, salt and pepper to taste.